Hello and welcome to lesson 4 of the beginner course here on Gaeilge Inniu. We'll continue now with a few phrases which you can use our Lála Pádraig St. Patrick's Day.
Dia duit.
Dia is Muire duit.
Lála Pádraig sona dit.
Lála Pádraig sona dit féin.
An bhfuil tú ag dul go dtí an pharáid?
Tá agus ólaigh mé cúpla pionta Guinness, cad fúd féin.
Rachaidh mé leat. Is breá liom an saor obair agus an chraic. Now let's go through that one more time. And as we did in the other conversations, we'll leave a pause after we pronounce each line for you to try it yourself. And then we'll repeat it again to see how you got on. Dia duit. Dia duit.
Dia is Muire duit. Dia is Muire duit.
Lála Pádraig sona dit. Lála Pádraig sona dit.
Lála Pádraig sona dit féin. Lála Pádraig sona duit féin.
An bhfuil tú ag dul go dtí an pharáid? An bhfuil tú ag dul go dtí an pharáid?
Tá agus ólaigh mé cúpla pionta Guinness, cad fúd féin. Tá agus ólaigh mé cúpla pionta Guinness, cad fúd féin.
Rachaidh mé leat. Is breá liom an saor obair agus an chraic. Rachaidh mé leat. Is breá liom an saor obair agus an chraic.
Well done! Now you'll have something to say to people in Irish on St. Patrick's Day.
Some interesting things you might have picked up on there. Lála Pádraig sona dit is how you say Happy St. Patrick's Day in Irish. One more time. Lála Pádraig sona dit. The full form of that is Gaeilge Pádraig sona dit. Lá means day, féile means festival, and you'll notice it was shortened in the conversation to le. Using sona dit at the end of a sentence is used whenever you're wishing someone a happy festival, birthday, anything like that. Another example would be happy birthday. Lá breá sona dit. Try those two yourself. Lála Pádraig sona dit and lá breá sona dit.
Cúpla is the word used for a couple or a few, and you can use the singular form of the noun after this word. So for example, in this conversation, a couple of pints, cúpla pionta, or a couple of people, cúpla duine. Pionta is the singular form, which means pint, as is duine, which means person.
Well done, you've just completed your 4th lesson of the beginner course of Gaeilge Inniu. See you soon.
Slán.